Hi everyone! Last week when I shared videos in which I sit and talk in this chair, I got questions about the yellow blanket, and that's what today's video is about. The pattern for this blanket is called Tree of Life Afghan, and it is available on Lion Brand Yarn website. Here is how you can get it. You go to lionbrand.com and I will leave the specific link to the page with this blanket, with the pattern for this blanket. Then over here you can see that the cost is $74.85, but that's just to purchase the materials, the yarn for this project. But over here you will click download free pattern. You will need to sign up and it is free. So you put your name, email address, create a password, and then you'll be able to download the pattern. So here is the pattern. There are written instructions and there are also symbol charts. And you can save the pattern as a PDF download on your computer or your device. And if you are interested in a tutorial for this Afghan, you can find it on BonnieBayCrochet YouTube channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. I crocheted my Tree of Life Afghan a couple of years ago. I used impeccable yarn by Loops and Threads, and I followed the pattern exactly, except for the trim. In the original pattern there is a ruffled trim, which I didn't quite like, so I skipped that part. I made another version of this Afghan. I crocheted it as a birthday gift for a family friend, and in this version I replaced the middle flower panel with another tree panel. I actually have a video about that process, and if you are interested to see it, I will leave the link in the description box below. And I just want to say that I absolutely love this pattern, and it was a joy to crochet both of these Afghans.
Olga, bless your heart.